Ayibuye Floyd Shivambu, it's dying. It's dying yafi mayibuye nkosi yami, and it's inevitable. Floyd can't stop it. Ziyakhala, ngithi ziyalila, ngithi ziyatetema, ngithi ziku-loudspeaker. Nolubaba lomqinga akadedeli ma-files lapha ka-Twitter, akadedeli nkosi yami, uyathulula. Ziyakhala bafethu. It's inevitable, the death of Mayibuye Africa movement led by Floyd Shivambu. When I told you that Floyd doesn't have the qualities that are needed to lead a political party in South African political spectrum, you guys thought I'm joking. Ziam Kalela Gemanj. By the way, hello and welcome to Hot Politicking, aka Intellectual Digestion. My name is Letu. In this Hot Politicking platform, that's where we digest politics on intellectual level. So please have the highest comprehensive skill when you come to our house, because you will have to listen carefully before responding. Don't respond with emotion. Listen to the statement and also respond in a respectful manner. It's good to disagree, but let's disagree in a respectful way. By the way, let's dive deep to the matter. If you like what we're doing, if you like what we're doing, please do us a simple favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share the video to boost the YouTube algorithm. I can dive deep. So, it's been posting something, and we've been suspecting that there's something that might be happening in Mayibuye. So, on the 16th of October, Nolubaba Mqinga posted her picture and captioned it as follows: "In politics, there are no permanent friends and no permanent enemies, only shifting grounds of purpose. Today's critique can be tomorrow's comrade, and wisdom lies in walking quietly while destiny rearrange the table." And then she said, quote, Nolubaba Mqinga. Okay, Zakala. And she posted a letter as well on the same day, the 16th of October, captioned as followed on top: "Having served in the select committee on justice and security cluster, I cannot stay silent when justice is compromised. The people shall govern, not commissions that protect power." There bekakhuluma ngale madlanga commission ukuthi they are going private, they don't want other episode to be broadcasted, which for me it's completely nonsense and bullshit, by the way, honestly speaking. I'm not gonna say anything contrary to that. And also she posted the logo of Mayibuye. The letter on its own, it doesn't have the letter of Mayibuye, which made people to question why it's your letter not having the logo of Mayibuye. They were questioning that. We thought it's something small. And then on the 18th of October, Nolubaba posted something from Facebook or something like that. She said, "Statement by Nolubaba Mqinga clarifying misleading claims and allegations circulating in the public gallery. In the recent days," that's what it was saying. "In the recent days, reports have circulated suggesting that I, Nolubaba Mqinga, am forming a new political party with members of Africa Mayibuye movement. I wish to clarify that I remain a full and active member of the movement, serving as deputy president and the founder. I have not resigned, nor have I been dismissed by my role. Nor have I been dismissed from my role. Although I was removed from certain internal WhatsApp groups without explanation, I received a letter dated 11 October 2025 outlining false allegation, to which I have already responded within the required 7 days. I am not forming a new party with anyone from Mayibuye, but I have been approached by individuals seeking advices to establishing one. If and when anything formal arises, I will make an official announcement through a press conference. For now, I will wait the outcome of internal process." So uNolubaba Mqinga uthi kunabantu abam-approachile, they want to form a political party. and she's not forming a political party. It's the same thing that Floyd did. Ushaya uFloyd ngeenduku zakhe. Floyd ushaya uZuma ngeenduku zakhe, naye bamshaya ngeenduku zakhe manje. Ziyakhala. She's not forming, but there are people that are forming a political party that came to her bafuna advice, and she advised them. So uthi bamkhiphile kuma groups emayibuye Africa movement, and bathina bamkhipha bamtshela ukuthi aka explain it because there were claims and allegations against her, and she clarified she's waiting for them to respond to her. Then after that, it's the press conference. The press conference thing sayibona Floyd ziyakhala bamshaya ngeenduku zakhe. Okay, then on Twitter she captioned it, clarifying misleading claims and setting the record straight. I remain deputy president and founder of Africa Mayibuye movement. Any further decision will be communicated officially through a press briefing. I have not resigned or been dismissed from Mayibuye. So I'm asking myself, so journalists will take themselves up and go and listen to the press conference that is going to be addressed by Nolubaba Mqinga. But even me myself, if I can have invitation, definitely I will come. I love to see what I would love to hear it from her direct and even interview her what is going to happen with a relationship like Floyd. So that's the thing, guys. That's the thing. Ziyakhala bafethu. Ziyakhala. Then she posted something else on the 18th. She said the Basadi philosophy rooted in African feminist thought emphasizes humanity, care, community, and moral responsibility in leadership. Basadi means womanhood. Its principles extend beyond gender, offering a holistic, inclusive model of leadership grounded in African ethics and values. Then also on the 18th, she was serious, and it was Saturday. She posted on the 18th, women leadership can never be weak, and you cannot separate a patriarchal parameter to measure women leadership. Sorry. And then on the 19th, which was on Sunday, she posted the following: a picture of Floyd and Abu Mabato and some few leaders of Mayibuye, but she wasn't there. And the seat which she should be sitting, a deputy president, was empty. She said, the real spice, the way spice so good, the one that you use in kitchen. The real spice is knowing when to stay silent. True danger sits closer to power, smiling beside it. The real spice the way gossip now, and liars. The real spice and plotters are never far. Power drunk with ego, blind wisdom. But my energy remains for the cause, not betrayal. Nolubaba Mqinga. Zakhala bafethu. Zakhala. Then on the 20th of October, which is Monday, yesterday, she posted the following in the morning, early hours. She said, any political formation that disrespects traditional leadership undermines women and itself the source of sexual and is itself the source of sexual harassment cannot claim moral or spiritual legitimacy. To violate women and dishonor traditional authority is to invite a curse upon oneself. You will understand with how this thing merges. There's something I thought was she's talking about Julius Malema, because you remember the time when Julius was talking about her. Then she posted about commenting Dr. Ndlovu, which is not something that I'm interested in because it's not related to what I want to talk about or to Africa Mayibuye movement. So I thought there was a time whereby Julius Malema said that woman who used to call herself a queen and all those kind of things, then she came and said Julius Malema disrespected the kingdoms and stuff like that. So I thought she was talking about Julius Malema up until later on the 20th, where she started explaining yesterday what is happening here. She then said 8 hours after that poster, she said sexual harassment isn't only physical or verbal. It also includes false character, intimidation, manipulation, and defamation that violate one's dignity. When institutions falsely weaponize private matter to shame or silence individuals, that too becomes harassment. And 2 hours after that post, she posted another one. A true revolutionary doesn't stay silent when injustice targets a woman. Silence is face of wrongdoing is betrayal. Sorry, but silence in the face of wrongdoing is betrayal of the struggle. You can't preach freedom while watching oppression within your own ranks. Zakal. 3 hours after that, she posted another one on tweet. You can see that there is an agenda. I'm going to tell you about the replies, guys. Relax. There are replies here. She said, I will speak, but not now. I'm not a coward. All this is politics deliberate and calculated, shifting everything to make me the bad DP. But you warned me. I remember when they were joining Maibuye and MK, we warned them when they were leaving AFF. And I listened, by the way. Let history take its course. The time will come. And when it does, the truth will stand tall on its own. I told you guys, Floyd cannot lead. Even EFF, he said he built EFF, he sustained EFF. EFF was sustained by Julius. So now we're talking about the replies of Nolubabalo Mtingadi in the comment section in the posters that she made. On the poster that she says, I will speak, the last one of I will speak. Then someone by the name of Sibonga commented and said, Sisi, just resign and stop making a nonsense statement on X. A deputy president does not do what you are right now. Your threat and serious allegation you're making are reckless. Stop tarnishing Maibuye movement and the whole leadership. We don't need another Mary party here. Onolobabalo responded and said, what a disrespectful way to talk to a DP. I'm not surprised. There is no order of protocol. Go tell your SGO. They don't just remove people on WhatsApp groups and leak confidential information to the media, causing confusion, and expect me to keep quiet. I won't. How? Who? But in how? Who is the spy here? So bekabuza ukuthi okay fine. Ungani bamkhiphe kuma group SGO. Uthakamba ubuza u-SGO wabo ukuthi wenzeni and all those kind of things, because SGO is the one amkhiphe kuma group waqeda wa leak information to the media, and then yena she has a responsibility to respond. And then Usekums said, you came to spy and plant in the MKP. Nabanjo manje niqabana nodwa plan B What's a plan B awusebenzi? Then Nolubabalo responded and said, leadership. I met MKP members of parliament first day when they arrived. I was the one showing them around. All because I believe in Ubuntu. I fell in love with the spirit of activism and the freedom to speak in the MK party. That is why I joined and was head-hunted to Maibuye singaqabani. So Maibuye akazange join willingly. She was head-hunted. Ngizwile lento. What is she was head-hunted? Then Then Tesla Cybertruck Big Bear firm said, this is not professional at all. They now promised you position or MKP. That is why you intend to explode by fabricating things about Floyd. Just say whenever you want and we'll deal with it. Yo unestina sis. Waphendula uNolubabalo Mqinga. Nkosi yami. Wathi I'm not moved by titles. My blood is the title. Yo. I'm moved by the cause, by fighting for the people, for true liberation, which is not true, but I understand. She then said, a true revolutionary, on that one, yeah, a true revolutionary. Sorry, give me a second. There's something that happened. Okay, on that one, yeah, a true revolutionary doesn't stay silent when injustice target women. That one of she said. Then someone commented by the name of Dr. Innocent Chauke, who said, "We are not going anywhere, all of us." Waphendula uNolibaba Lomcenga wathi, "I'm not going anywhere. If I'm chased out because of my voice, then what politics does my buye stand for? I'm removed from WhatsApp groups and expected to keep quiet for what? So, who is practicing cult behavior now?" Go juice. Remember, Floyd said EFF it's a cult. Who's practicing cult behavior now? If you speak, they plot against you, exclude you, and silence you. Zakhala bafethu, ziyakhala bafethu, ziyalila, ziku-loudspeaker. Ziyakhala, ziyalila bafethu, ziyalila. Ziyakhala, ziyalila. Asichubekeni bafethu. We'll come back and check some of the things. But you're still not coming out clean, DP. Say it loud. Mamuza, ameme Maibuye now. It's Africa Dzonga. With the logo of Maibuye. Said you're still not coming out. You're still not coming out clean, DP. Say it loud. Nolibaba said, "Ask leadership, comrade." But she said, say it. "I'm still protecting the organization by not revealing what 80% of the people knew before this confusion. I will speak in press conference, not here." Ziyakhala. Then lo munye wabuza wathi, "uNyiko uthini mara nkosi yami kule ndaba engaka?" Wathi, "Captured or has made himself appear captured. As part of the strategy, you never know, but eventually he will either carry out what he is been planning or planted plan will be revealed accordingly." So uNolibaba Lomcenga, it's saying Floyd, it's captured. Imagine the whole DP saying the president, it's captured. Hey guys, kukhulu la kukhulu. UZizipho ke, my sister in the revolution, I love the sister of mine. Uthi uZizipho Prof. So uZizipho commented and said, "Prof kuthiwa Karl Marx wasemahonisi is broke." Hey guys. Then someone uGumede said, "That's why befuna esuke kwisihlalo samongameli." Siyakhala guys, siyakhala. And angeke sahamba ofuma lenye part. Athi uNolibaba Lomcenga, "Kudala iphekwa imbiza leadership. Ingxaki ayindimi, ingxaki ipha phakathi." Guys, Nolibaba, it's revealing files. Uthi ingxaki ipha phakathi. Ndide ndathi kumongameli, "If ugcibile ngami, makatsho angandenzeli izimanga. Ndiyocela umsebenzi kwezinye ipati. Ndiyothora kuzo. But ke andizoyeka usana lwethu. Ndavele yangathi ndingumntu othetha wrong." Oh, guys, I'm not good. I'm not Xhosa. All of you know that I'm Swati. So you will forgive me for indlela engifunda ngayo isiXhosa. So uthi yena ngize ngamtshela uthi ingxaki ingxaki ipha phakathi. Ipha phakathi kwaMayibuye. Ingxaki ipha phakathi. Uze watshela uFloyd ukuthi weFloyd ungasangidingi ngitshela ngihambe. That's what she's saying. Yabo. That is why if you read the statement, let me try to read it a little bit better. Who said, "Kudala iphekwa imbiza leadership. Ingxaki ayindimi, ingxaki ipha phakathi. Ndide ndathi kumongameli, if ugcibile ngami, makatsho angandenzeli izimanga. Ndiyocela umsebenzi kwezinye ipati. Ndiyothora kuzo, but ke andizoyeka usana lwethu. Ndavele yangathi ndingumuntu wrong." I tried, Shem. I tried. I tried for the second time. I tried. So then someone ofaki video ka Julius Malema nakathini.
I have to receive money. especially black women.
Wafaki video kamalema la athi yena women must be given money. Someone, that's what they said. Then Ufikile Mkhize said, I'm confused because she's not saying what really happened. Hi. Then Unul Babalo said, leadership, I said it. I'm removed from the WhatsApp groups. There is no confusion here. In the times of Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, and Nelson Mandela, people even fought in meeting for the truth. Today, we are scared. Today, we wait for someone else. Yo, Zakala. URaisibi ke yena Nkosi yami Nyamazi, the top hater of Julius Malema, said, I don't know why, but I understand her frustration. Yo, hey, Raisibi, it's part of the regional leadership of Maibuye in Johannesburg. Then Unal Babalo said to Raisibi, Nakapenduli, I wish Maibuye could adopt the spirit of questioning, owning a responsibility in the individual. Right now, everyone seems to wait for someone else to speak, even when they see something is wrong. No one says anything. I'm in the position because I speak out, and I will not keep quiet. And then Usiko said, are you crying for help? Nolu Babalo said, Meza, no, I'm not, but will when the time comes. It's me against the world. I miss the spirit of fighters that defends its fellow comrades without being scared of the next person, but do what's necessary. Here ndiyaxothwa, clumsy by members SDP. Ndiyaxothwa, clumsy by members SDP. They know more than me. And Julius Malema said, don't interrupt the I don't know whether he wanted to say, don't interrupt the members of Maibuye, the fools or whatever, the small girls and small boys, because that's how he referred Floyd and Nabonjo, who said they are all small boys. Like, I don't know, guys, what Julius Malema meant, but he said, don't disturb them, just leave them, let them continue expressing each other. Julius ain't handle it. Then Umbali, what's in LOL? I die with those quotes. Then Nolubaba said, Komisa, Ungati. Umbali Dlamini is a member of EFF in Parliament, by the way. Then Uzizipo said, so Floyd believes there's a spy over you. Quit wangoku kuse early. Then Nolubaba wati, Zizipo Marana, it's fueling this thing, yes. Nolubaba wati, Wes, I don't hide my meetings. Even when I went to visit Ubaba, I reported, as I don't hide anything. If you read my book, The Sum of Life, you will understand who I am. I hide nothing. Umgani used to say, there are people born to make history and others to write history, so I hide. Then Justice Fokwekwe said, if you remove Floyd as a president, I'm telling you, I'm gonna vote for Maibuye. Then Nolubabalo said, I will never do that. He has a lot to show and teach upcoming leadership. I'm not even in the CIPC or NPC or banking signatory. I don't even know who is there. My DP position is wanted by a lot of leadership who have sold their soul to remove me. So nje leadership as kisva. So Spokazi this one bekakhuluma ngokuthi ufuna inamba kaNolubaba. Lo munye wathi angeke nje. Uthini ake ngithi nje number 1. Then uNolubaba wathi bathini Seda, some comrades, partners are members of other parties. Others still sit in the high command, Ekhaya MK. Gossip says some receive mobilization funds from the EFF, Mzinwam. Yet I, the poor DP, am painted as the problem, removed from groups and branded spy. Gwam. What that was in brackets was Maibuye. Njani. Angini, she's the co-founder. So we busy with Gwake. Then uzizipho yazini ubhizi shem, uyambiza uzizipho, uyambiza wathi uzizipho yo zaphuma isigaqa. Then unolubaba lo wathi uthi guys, I'm not good in Xhosa, forgive me. Wathi ayikabizizo nkosazana. The real issue is those who have been planted within the organization to destroy it from within. They've started damaging my character, falsely labeling me as a spy, while the real spies remain comfortably in the place. Then Edwin wathi, I think you are aware that nobody wants you to leave. However, the rumors are so much around you, and you are not helping the situation with your suspicious and confusing post. As a leader, you did post your letter of what is happening and that you will talk when the time is right. Nolubabalo said, no leadership. Wait for the press conference, please. Remember, we stand by the truth in Maibuye and tell no lies. Remember, I'm a founding member. This was the first principle of our movement. It's deeply rooted in us. And Edwin again responded and said, no need to call us names. Just make your point without insult. It will still make sense if it does like that. Then Nolbabalo said, leadership, I will never disrespect my fellow comrades. Don't worry about standards. I represent people of South Africa. I'm the voice of the voiceless. And then Upona said, Ori, but she refuted the claims last week. Again, there was extensive consultation with kings, as I understand, which are disrespected. So this is where it comes from. That post, I would say, if you disrespect kings, you're kissing yourself. Then Nolbabalo said, Mkaya kakulu. Other kings were given 2,000 rand. Abanye 1 cow. Back home in Xhosa land, in Kloni Zami, we brought 2 cows. But TG and SG fought and said 1 cow yajiki and said 1 cow yajikiso seyifikile enqanto inhloni zami kodwa kwaZulu isilo safumana 2 cows and a rifle. Xa ndisilwa kuthiwa this one sisilo bathi lona shothi akasona silo. Then uSigcino Bhevu said, uyagowa sisi wami yo thola Ben 10 akunwa beans. This one bekasitanyela shem wathi no, those are serious soul ties and easy. So I just want something of substance from the comments. I don't want a comment that was there. Then someone said, I will be waiting for your TikTok video of my base downfall and faction battles. Then Nolbabalo said, that's not my wish for my baby. It was not easy building Maibuye. People were on the fence. Even now, they are not making sure. But I was there from day one, leadership. Awusakhumbuli nge-green beret. Hey, zakhala guys. Kuningi usiziputhi yo. Then unolibaba bathi fighter zindidi ngendidi kaloku. I-harassment, but one comrade of Malema, Zuma, Mcinga and Shivambu. We must educate our fellow fighters about their rights, not to be exploited through position manipulation. Comrades are position hungry. Bafuna uba number 1 first DP na Boshem at any expense. So guys, let me stop here because I've been saying a lot. It's 30 minutes now, this video, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna post all these comments. I'm gonna make a 4 minutes or 3 minutes video or screen recording. Then I post everything. You can pause and read, pause and read, pause and read. But ziyakhala kwa Maibuye guys, ziyakhala, ziyalila, ziyatetema. And you know what? I am happy because I said so. Bye bye.